Hello all, welcome to my channel Curious Fati. Myself Fatima. When you're curious, you find lot of interesting things to do. Here I come with 8 plus 1 hacks for work from home. Working from home is challenging or difficult for few and easy for others. How? Definitely they will be following any one of these hacks. I will be sharing few tips, tools which will make work from home easy for you. Do watch the complete video without skipping so that you don't miss any points. If you like my video, do hit a big like. Don't hesitate to share your experience of work from home in the comment section below. And most important, do subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any updates in future. Also, check out my other videos. I will be linking in the description box and above iCard. So let's get started. Hack number 1. Find your workspace. Try not to set up your workspace in the bedroom because you will feel sleepy and you won't be productive. Mostly find a corner in a hall or space with a window or end of your dining table, a space where nobody uses in hall so that people in home does not get disturbed by us and vice versa. Find a place, if you are using a desktop, find a place nearby to the plug point so it will be easy for you to connect it. Hack number 2. Lit up or set up your workspace. Most important during this COVID-19 is hygiene. Before you start your work, try to clean your workspace. Keep it clutter-free throughout the day. It will improve your productivity. Keep what required and necessity. 1. Keep notebook and pen with you. Sticky notes is optional. 2nd, if you are using laptop and mobile, keep it handy with the charger. 3rd, a clean cloth or tissues so that you can clean your keyboard or keypad as well as mouse often. Plant if you love, that is optional. Most important thing is keep a water bottle along with you. By that way you stay hydrated for the whole day. And avoid junk foods besides you or any eating item besides you. Hack number 3. Schedule your work timings and create a to-do list. Work timing differs for each individual, sometimes by the presence of people in home or any other personal activity. But starting time depends on your company. That is login time. Prepare one basic to-do list. I use this application for the basic list, that is login, logout, check mails, meetings, task or target. So whenever you do this, mark it in check boxes. In a day, if you have a multiple task in a day, create another checklist. Prioritize your task. Put the task of high priority in first and lowest in the bottom. When you do high priority task, don't get up from the workspace. Complete it and then later on go to the break or talk to anyone. After that, based on the priority of your task like medium or low, you can talk to your family members, chit chat, listen music and do whatever you want. And when you complete, mark it in the app so that you get remind of the remaining or pending task also. By this way, you can have a productive day and complete your task on the time. Hack number 4. Take a break. Usually in work from home life, you cannot fix timing for breaks because it depends on your family members also. But while going to break, do not take mobile with you. Leave your work related things and go. Have fruits, tea or milk with dry fruits. Get some fresh air. Do spend time with your family. Hack number 5. Set your boundaries. During important meeting, do let your family know about it so that they don't disturb you. Though you tell them, they will check and observe on you how you speak in meeting and what is your work is all about. But they won't disturb you or bother you, but they will observe you and they will give you better tips on how to talk in the meeting. Maybe you will end up getting interesting tips from them. Hack number 6. Avoid distractions. This distraction is not from your family members. This distraction is the notification from social media or tempting notifications too. How to avoid this during work is set silent notification for the social media apps and set sound notification for the work related apps like mail or meetings reminder. It really worked, guys. This is my personal experience I am sharing with you to avoid distractions. Hack number 7. Be prepared for your power cuts. Definitely everyone might have faced this situation while working from home. While drafting a mail or you're working on a document or something, kindly save what you work then and there or make a copy available in your mail so you can open, edit, send it through mobile, or you can send to your colleague and ask them to edit or draft it so you don't end up losing it. So this is my personal experience too. Hope you also experience this. Do let me know in the comment section below. Hack number 8. Be kind with everyone. Because all are working from home, they have different lifestyle, they will have different members in their family. They might be held up with some work, personal activities. So if you are in an emergency and you need something in urgent, when you are calling them, if they don't attend, just wait for the call and leave a text. When they come back, let them call you back, or you call again after 10 minutes. And you also have to follow that you also call back when you receive a missed call from someone. So be kind with everyone. This is the hack number 8. Next hack is the +1 hack, that is weekend hack. As I told, avoid distraction while doing the work in work from home life. The same thing you are going to follow in the weekend. Put silent notifications for your work from home activities like mails, reminders of meetings, something like that. Put silent notification for that and put sound notification for your personal social media apps like WhatsApp, something like that. Do spend time for your household chores, some time for your hobbies, dance a little, sing a little, do watch a good movie or web series. Don't forget to pray. Have some chit chat with your friends and family. So that's it. Hope you guys like my beautiful video. If you do, like, share and comment and subscribe my channel, and do check out my other videos which will be linking in the description box, or you can go to my videos and directly see from them. Until next video, take care, bye bye, have a